202, August 31st. Here's your weather graphics and weather briefing update. Hope you enjoy it, and if you do, like it. Hopefully you'll like the video and subscribe to us. We would appreciate it. And taking a look at tonight's forecast, look like it'll be lows in the 60s, around 65 degrees for Fort Payne. And there will be a few clouds coming in overnight, thanks to our next system tomorrow that'll bring some showers and thunderstorms into the area. Hopefully we'll get some rainfall, because if you don't, it's going to be a while before we see rainfall again. Let's take a look at tomorrow's graphic. And for Friday, there's about a 30 to 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms depending where you're at. Let's hope, again, we do all get some rainfall, because if we don't, it'll be a while before we get into the rainfall again, and we'll get on into that outlook here shortly. But as for tomorrow goes, cloudy skies, not as warm as what we've had today, thanks to the clouds and the precipitation. Highs of only around 78 degrees with a 30 to 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. And moving on to the 6 through 10 day temperature probability outlook, it has been adjusted a little bit, so not quite as warm as what we have had, but it's still going to be warm at times, highs in the 80s, low 90s, especially on Sunday. But the good news is not as hot as the other outlooks was showing, so that is some good news. Thanks to Hurricane Idalia moving through, it did bring just some slightly cooler temperatures into the area. So we'll take a look at the 8 through 14 day temperature outlook. And the 8 through 14 day, pretty much same difference. Highs in the upper 80s, some low 90s. It will be humid at times. But the good news is we are starting to feel a little bit of that fall air coming in, and that's just so great. I've been looking forward to all this hotter weather moving out of here, and it looks like the hottest stuff's to the west of us, as we can look at on this graphic. Let's take a look at the precipitation outlook, and it doesn't look good at all. And here's your 6 through 10 day precipitation probability outlook. As stated, it doesn't look very good as far as rainfall, so it looks like it could be another week to 2 weeks, maybe longer, before we see any rainfall according to the graphics, and they look to be promising. Let's move to the 8 through 14 day. And the 8 through 14 day, which is valid Thursday 09/07 to Wednesday 09/13, unfortunately looks below normal averages for rainfall, meaning it's going to be very dry after tomorrow. So let's all pray that we all get some decent rainfall tomorrow. And let's take a look at temperatures for today. The maximum temperature for today is supposed to be around 85 to 86 degrees over here in northeastern Alabama. Up in Huntsville, looks like about 85 degrees. So let's take a look at Friday's temperature, maximum temperature outlook. And for your Friday, it looks a bit cooler than today, thankfully, thanks to those showers and thunderstorms coming in. Highs on Friday expected to be around 80 to 82 degrees. Moving into the weekend, for Saturday, looks like highs will be around 85 degrees, so that is some good news. 80 to 85 degrees. Now Sunday, things warm up just a little bit. Let's move on to Sunday. And Sunday's outlook looks like 85, 89 degrees, somewhere right in there, around 90 in some areas. So it is going to warm up a bit for Sunday. And we have a very dry weather pattern come in, thanks to high pressure sets in around next week, and it hangs out with us for at least the next week or two. So hope you enjoy sunny, dry conditions, because that's what we'll be experiencing. And before we wrap the video up, I'd like to share some photos of the moon last night. Hope everybody got out and enjoyed that. It was beautiful. Here's one of the photos of the moon that I took last night. I'm not sure what time it was, but it seems like it was pretty late. I'm going to say between 10 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Very beautiful shots of the moon last night. We'll share a few more photos before we get ready to wrap the video up. And again, if you like the video, like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it. And here is one more image of the same image that I just showed, just zoomed further out. Another beautiful shot of the moon last night, and then we'll get on taking a look at the sunset yesterday, which was really beautiful thanks to Hurricane Idalia. And here's one of the sunset photos I took yesterday, just a very beautiful neonish looking sky. It was very, very beautiful. I hope everybody got to see it, but if you didn't, here's you some photos. You can check it out, and hope you do like them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's take a look at some more of the sunset photos yesterday. And here's one more as the sun went down just a little bit more. Just a very beautiful, vibrant sunset. Again, most tropical systems, when they move through, you do have some very beautiful sunsets and even sunrises, and this was the case. And the final one's going to be my most favorite. Very beautiful, neon-looking sky. Just very, very beautiful. And that's going to wrap our video up, everybody. I hope you did enjoy it. And as stated a few times there, if you like it, like and subscribe. We would really, really appreciate it. Help us get to 1,000 viewers, and we can actually start getting paid for our content. So we'd really appreciate it. This is Cab County Severe Weather Team. God bless, and have a great rest of your weekend. Or have a great weekend, rather. Thanks again, everybody. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one.